Hello everyone, I am Darba Bhavan pursuing BTech Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Let us learn a new topic through this video called Demand Forecasting.
Demand forecasting. It is the way to predict the future situation based on multiple parameters and gathering information about various aspects of the market and demand based on the past to estimate the future situation. As said by Evan Douglas, demand forecasting may be defined as process of finding values for a demand in future time periods. Now, let us consider two examples of demand forecasting. Toyota and Apple. Toyota, which is a multinational company headquartered in Japan, produces cars and other heavy motor vehicles by taking input from different sources. Their dealers are also part of such sources for obtaining inputs. On the other hand, it is difficult to forecast for the company on the demand related to accessories like custom vehicles, navigation systems, etc. because they contain more than 1000 items and that to vary according to color, model and other specifications. So Toyota reviews the available data of vehicles that have been manufactured and also considers vehicle forecasts in detail to decide the demand for a future accessory. The accurate forecast results in an effective supply chain for the company. Now, considering the second example, Apple. Apple is also a well-known multinational company headquartered in US. It is a technology company that has developed an effective and efficient global system through which it is easy to control mostly all aspects of the supply chain, that is from designing products to retail stores. Apple is able to enhance innovations, reduce the inventory cost, and improve the market speed through effective communication and accurate data, which is shared both upwards and downwards in the supply chain system. Production forecasts are also adjusted on daily basis during the product is in the market for sale. The same is done by tracking the demand of each store on an hourly basis. Now, the key decisions that are taken into consideration for demand forecasting. Which markets do we penetrate? Like if we consider one market on what product we need to produce and how to make people use of that. If the product is successful and when the product is successful, what will be the demand for the product? And not only producing the product but also considering the net revenue income for the company and how many people to hire so that the product will be available to all the persons and it will be reachable up to the end, and what are the raw materials to be used for this product and how to get those raw materials. There are different types of forecasts in that. The major types of forecasts are economy and time period, and in economy they are classified into macro level, industrial level, firm level, and in time period short term and long term. The macro level of forecasting look at how the overall economy is doing. We might look at things like the index of industrial production, national income, and employment levels to get a sense of how much demand there might be for a particular product. Industry level forecasting is all about predicting how much demand there will be for an entire industry's product. For example, we might try to predict how much cement people will want to buy in India or how much demand there will be for clothes in India. Firm level. Firm level forecasting means trying to predict how much demand there will be for a particular company's product. For example, we might try to predict how much demand there will be for a Birla cement or Raymond clothes. Short term forecasting is when we try to make predictions about demand for a product over a short period of time like 6 months or less than a 1 year. This kind of forecasting is useful in making tactical decisions like how much inventory to order. Long term forecasting is when we try to predict demand for a period of more than 1 year. This kind of forecasting is crucial for making strategic and tactful decisions like how much to invest in production or marketing. And Methods of forecasting. These methods of forecasting are considered into we might use statistical methods like regression analysis, time series analysis, or econometric models, and qualitative models like expert opinions or market research. To make accurate data and demand forecast, we need to gather and analyze a lot of different kinds of data. This includes selling price, product designs, change in competition, advertisements campaign, purchasing power, historical sales data, market trends, customer behavior. Demand forecasting can be challenging because there are always unexpected things that can happen, like change in consumer behavior or inaccurate data. But even with these challenges, it is important for business to try to predict demand so that they can make informed decisions about how much to produce, how much to inventory hold, how much inventory to hold, and how to price their products. And in case there are any unforeseen events, for example like COVID-19, then the industry must be able to withhold that. And what are the benefits? Despite the challenges, demand forecasting is crucial for businesses that want to stay competitive and profitable. By predicting the demand, companies can optimize their production, manage their inventory, and make smart decisions about pricing and marketing strategies. And I hope today we have learned a new topic through this video called demand forecasting. And thank you.